Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be reviewing Speed Demon. So, in the third episode of Cars on the Road, Salt Fever, a Speed Demon is first mentioned by the Salt Flats worker when Lightning and Mesa arrive to the area. Speed Demon later appears when Mesa exits his body after exceeding speeds of 640 miles an hour. So Speed Demon is based on a 1937 Talbot Lago T150 SS Teardrop Coupe. She's painted black with chrome on the front of her fenders. Her eye colour is purple, and she also sports angel-like wings. I think she was released twice, 2022 and 2023. So I guess that's nice. Trivia. The Speed Demon is not an actual physical character, but rather a figment of someone's mind that Salt Flats racers will see if they exit their bodies for going too fast. Despite the angelic appearance, it seems that Speed Demon is the equivalent of the Grim Reaper in the world of cars, due to the more demonic name. Let's have a look at her, shall we? So as I previously mentioned, a Talbot Lago Teardrop Coupe. I thought they were headlights for a second, but no, they're chrome. The chrome grille. Which feels like it's actually got texture as well, so well done Mattel. And look at her, ooh. I know, it's blue off my webcam I'm recording it off of. It's got vents on the side again, feels like they actually have texture. You get chrome on the end of the fenders and your angel-like wings. Which, they remind the Honda motorbike logo. Look, you have a look inside the wing. Kind of reminds me of the Honda motorbike logo. Here's the underside, very chrome. They're not completely chrome like Doc Hudson. I think that's pretty much all there is to say. Goodbye, my precious.